In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find answers on Google Forms. Now, I know this might sound intriguing and perhaps you're thinking, is this really possible? Well, I'll guide you through the simple steps that will help you explore and understand how to navigate this process using some straightforward techniques. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to start by accessing Google Drive. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to your Google Drive account. This is where you'll be able to access and manage all your Google applications, including Google Forms. It's a great tool to centralize your documents and keep everything in one place. Once you're in Google Drive, look for the icon or button labeled Apps. This feature allows you to explore various Google applications and services that are integrated within Drive. Clicking on Apps will provide you with a list of available Google applications, among which you'll find Forms. Now select Google Forms from this list. This action will take you to a new page where all your Google Forms are listed. If you haven't created any forms yet, you'll still have the option to start a new one. It's here that you'll be able to select the form you need to work with. After selecting a form, the next thing you'll want to do is right-click anywhere on the form. This action will open a context menu with several options. What you'll need to choose from this menu is the Inspect option. This will open the Developer Tools panel within your browser. This tool provides various functionalities, but in this context, it allows us to interact with and explore the underlying structure of the web page. Make sure to enable line wrap in the Developer Tools panel. This step is crucial as it makes the HTML and CSS code easier to read by ensuring that long lines of code are wrapped to fit within the window. This is especially useful given that HTML and CSS can often consist of extremely lengthy lines of code. With line wrap enabled, you can now hover over the questions on the Google form. This allows you to see the structure and details of each question presented on the screen. It's fascinating to see how questions are structured in terms of code and layout, shedding light on some of the design intentions behind the form setup. And lastly, as you hover over the questions, examine the string results that appear. This provides insight into how data is organized within the form. While it's important to follow these steps ethically and responsibly, understanding how the code corresponds to the visible elements of a form can be quite enlightening. And there you have it, a straightforward method for exploring answers on Google Forms. Hopefully this tutorial has equipped you with a